Okay, today we're looking at Module 4, Lesson 10, Homework Problem 3A. Our job is to write an expression to match, then evaluate. Now there's a couple words in here that we need to know. An expression is just a number problem without an equal sign. And we need to know evaluate, and evaluate just means simply to solve. Okay? The problem is 1/8 the sum of 23 and 17. 1/8 the sum of 23 and 17. Our key word in here is sum. And we know that sum is just the answer to an addition problem. So I know there's going to have to be some type of addition in here. 1/8 the sum of. It sounds like the sum I'm trying to figure out is the sum of 23 and 17. The sum of 23 and 17. I want to know what 1/8 of the sum of 23 and 17 is equal to. The first thing I need to do is solve what's inside the brackets. Since I'm not doing anything with the 1/8 and the multiplication sign, I can just bring them down. 1/8 of. Now to solve here, 23 plus 17. 2 tens plus 1 10 equals 3 tens, or 30. 3 ones and 7 ones equals 10 ones, or another 10. So 23 plus 17 is going to equal 40. If I'm not sure, I can do a little scratch work over here. 23 plus 17. 7 and 3 is 10, carry the 1. 2 plus 1 is 4, 40. Now I have 1/8 of 40. Anytime I have a fraction times a whole number, I'm going to set up a 2 numerator, 1 denominator fraction. I got the 1/8 from my fraction. Here's my 1/8 times 40, the whole number I make as my second numerator. So 1 times 40 is 40. I keep the denominator of 8. Now I need to think to myself, how many 8s go into 40? And I know with my multiplication, if I multiply 8 times 5, I would get 40. So how many 8s go into 40? 5.